Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video, and as you can see, a Golf. Now this is a 5-door diesel. It's had some calipers and some wheels done recently by Uncle Keith, and as you can see, it's having a few defects rectified before it has a liquid wrap. A lot of hard work's got into this one already, so I think we'll be very interested to see it when it's having something sprayed on it. Well, we're in the spray booth with this Mark V Golf, and it's got more than 5 marks on it, I tell you that. It's had some work by our Keith and team, as you can tell, and it's all masked up, ready for some base coats before we get to colour. How you feeling, our Keith? Yeah, okay. Yeah,
there's a lot to do on it. There's a lot to do. But that's why it's here, isn't it?
I believe that's why this is going to be one of the biggest transformations that we've seen, because the car's condition when we started was poor, and this is going to be a prime example of, on a budget, how to transform your car into something that you want to stare at whilst it's sat on your driveway. And I think that's what we attempted to do. Now, we're not going to talk about the colour right now. You'll see that as it starts to get sprayed on. But a couple of base coats now that all the hardest part of the job is done, which is preparing the car. So we shall check back with Keith and team in a bit when we're putting some sht on it. Okay, well, as you can see, our Keith and team, Mackenzie, which we will welcome to the channel, has got this matte black. It's gone matte black. So this is one first coat?
It's two coats and a matte black.
2 coats of matte black.
This is like the first stage.
Because we've got to get layers down, and we've got to build up layers. But it already looks good, mate. I'll tell you what.
It looks pretty good like that.
Yeah, it already looks better than it did, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think so. It's vastly improved just like that.
Yeah. So we've got the wing mirrors over here, some door handles, as it's a 5-door. But yeah, it already looks...
This is the first 5-door we've done as well.
Yeah, it is the first 5-door, you're right.
I did the handles, because I normally only have to put 2 handles on it.
Yeah.
And then I had 4 handles.
There's twice as many doors and twice as many handles. Unless it's a Seat Leon, of course.
Very clever.
You're very clever.
Handles there, innit?
Yeah. But yeah, it looks great. It looks like a coupe at the moment. Beautiful. Okay, so next up is a bit of... What's in there? A bit of colour. So this will... Okay, so we won't tell you what's in there. It looks like a collection of things. But yeah, we won't tell you what that's going to... We're just going to let you see as it goes on, eh, Keith?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that. Be a surprise. Yeah. Maybe I should make a thumbnail of this. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, that's a good idea. You seen it here first. Well, here we go. Just looks like milk to me. Okay. Now here we go. I can start to see the colour coming out now, Keith. Yeah. Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing the rest of this, my friend. What colour? I'm just starting to see it come out now, yeah. Hey, so it's me, Danny, and the Golf is currently getting its 2nd coat of colour. It's looking absolutely fantastic. I'm staying out of there because it's a bit misty in there and probably no good for me. Everybody else has got safety equipment on, but not me, not this guy, so I'm staying out here. Let's go and have a look when the doors open again. Okay, well, you can definitely see the colour that's on there now. It's looking very, very nice. It's got a matte finish currently, so we're only halfway through the process, but it looks absolutely delightful. What a colour, Keith! You got to be happy with that. No. You want it? It is.
It's a nice colour, isn't it?
It's very nice. I mean, in its
you
matte...
can't see the true, yeah, you can't see the true effect.
Yeah, in its matte sort of colour, I think it's quite a nice effect. But we're going to definitely put some shiny on it, and come and see you when you hit it with some shiny. Hit it. Oh wowza! Well, the shiny's on there, Keith. Look at that. That's so lovely. Yeah, what a colour. What a colour. What do you reckon to it?
Yeah, really nice. I weren't too hot about it when on Monday, but it looks really good now.
It does look really good, doesn't it? Oh yeah.
It's done what it needed to do, hasn't it? It's transformed the look of the vehicle.
Well, we were saying, weren't we, that this car, no disrespect to anyone, was particularly in need of some attention.
Yeah.
And now it's got this. Well, I'm really looking forward to you putting it back together so we can see it outside, but that colour looks stunning, mate.
It's really nice.
Yeah. Every time I see one in there, I want my car that colour. I want my car that colour. But yeah, that's really, really nice. And what are we calling this? Midnight Purple?
Yeah, because the powder you put in is called Midnight Purple, so I think we'll call this Midnight Purple, but it's not Midnight Purple as in what everyone wants, Nissan Midnight Purple.
But this is...
with a flip, but this is a Midnight Purple drop-in purple.
Yeah.
So this is our Midnight Purple.
Got ya. And what a colour it is. It's absolutely fantastic, mate. Right, let's see it outside. Well, I mean, I know you've got a lot to do before we get there, but they won't know that in the video. They'll think it's instant. Well, there she is. Keith's built it up. Oh, it's lovely. Oh, yeah. Well, that is actually lovely. I think that's better than I expected. You can see there's a little bit of tape just there, but it's holding the skirt on still. Oh, I'd be made up with that. No, we'll remove the tape, Keith. You're right. That's beautiful, Keith. What a colour. I think it might be popular. You're right. It's just a lovely colour. So we're about to hand this car back to the customer. I think it looks absolutely spectacular. What a colour, what a transformation. You guys seen it when it was literally in bits, having lots of bodywork repaired. And now Richard's about to jump in it. Jensen's going to open the door. We're going to present it back to the customer. So let's do it. Here we go. Big red door reveal. Yeah. There she is, in all its glory. Now, I always say I want some sunshine, but that just looks stunning even in this light.
I don't care, it's too close to my colour.
Beautiful. Well, there we go, another one in the bag. And that is one Midnight Purple Mark 5 Golf. Hopefully we'll get some more videos when the customer sees it in the sunshine. But thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz, and we will see you on the next one. Well done, Uncle Keith. Well, it's got the looks. Has it got the power?